Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders. Back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 24. We've got some great progress on this project. We've got lots of guys out here working. I'm excited to show you what they're up to. Here we have our handy dandy repairman working on our SubZero fridge. When they went to install it, he's like, hello, what are you doing? When they went to install it, something happened with the panel that has the numbers on it, the digital panel for the temperature. So he's out here doing that repair today. Can you believe this beautiful stove? Oh my gosh, this is the 36-inch Wolf induction range. It is so fantastic. This was worth waiting 14 months for, I must say. Doesn't it just look so stunning? Backsplash tile is all in. This is our custom tile from Fire Clay out of Portland, Oregon. And that star and dot is so awesome. They still got to grout it, but you can see it wraps all the way around our kitchen. So nice. So we're here in the master bathroom, and they are going to be putting in these shower doors. I'm so excited to see this happen. And putting up our big mirror here on the wall over the vanity. We got our lights hung. They look so good up there, don't they? Our three little friends hanging out over this vanity. They are gonna light the space so nice and then reflect nicely out of the mirror once it goes up also. Super excited about this whole space. The master bedroom is our barn doors got installed. So let me show you around the space. There's a big, beautiful sliding glass door. But our barn door got installed here. It's waiting for a stain from our paint company, but they're gonna stain it to resemble those vanity cabinets. So it'll look really nice in this space. I've got one other set of barn doors to show you. So here's our other set of barn doors. We're on the inside of the Arizona room, and these barn doors are gonna help close off the space a little bit. Just give it a little bit of privacy and a little bit of wall coverage. Again, these will be stained, but they will resemble that brown cabinet color again, which is the maple truffle from Waypoint Living Spaces, and that resembles the mantles over the fireplaces. So it's gonna look so gorgeous. And friends, now we have this bathroom looking a little bit tidier, but don't those navy cabinets just look gorgeous in here? We've got new mirrors coming, but all of our countertops have been done and cabinet hardware is in and all those things. And then over here, our Pella door. Oh, these Pella doors are so fantastic. We did all these doors in with the shades in the glass so that they can open and close the shades as they use the door for privacy. So isn't that just great? Nice tall cabinet over here for storage. Oh, just so good. This cabinet in the hall so that they can have a little landing spot for all their guests when they come to visit. Oh, the progress on this space is just so fantastic, friends. I cannot believe how far we've come from where we were. For Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 24. Thank you for being on this journey with us. We couldn't do it without you. Take good care of yourself. You're the best you've got.